If you are new to my channel M Kormakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. Welcome to you all. Here the question is, if f prime x is equal to root x and f1 is equal to 2, then fx is equal to, that means here given f prime x into root x, transition of x is equal to is a function root x, and at x is equal to 1 function value is 2, then we have to find out the function. Find functions of x, consider the first given condition f prime x equal to root x. What is meant by f prime x? We may write d dx fx equal to root x. If we assume that let y is equal to fx, then it is easy to write dy dx x. Now cross multiplying, dy is equal to x dx. This is an equation. Also, it may be called differential equation. So, solve this equation integrating both sides. So, appointing integration symbol dy, that is equal to integration symbol root x dx. As we are thinking that we are integrating, so there is a constant that is called integrating constant. Here is equal to integrating constant. Integrating is integration dy is equal to y, and integration root x dx. That means apply the formula integration x to the power n dx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Using this formula, what we can write? X means x to the power half, x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. For more simplification, y that is equal to half plus 1 3 by 2. We may write this 2 by 3 x to the power half into x to the power 1, that means x to the power half plus 1. So x to the power half and x plus c, or y that is equal to by 3 x plus c. Name it this equation 1. Now we have to find out the value of c, because we have to find out the function fx, that is y. Even another condition is f1 is equal to 2. So put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 in 1, simply 1, as f1 is equal to, therefore 2 that is equal to by 3, x is equal to 1 plus c, or c that is equal to minus 2 by 3, that is equal to by 3. Now put the value of c in 1. So from 1 and c is equal to by 3, what we have? Y is equal to by 3 x x plus 4 by 3. So the required fx is fx, that is equal to, after simplified, take out common 2 by 3 x x plus 2, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.